Now question 6 is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222 and so on. So first we check this series is happy or not. So we find common difference. Okay, so D1 is what? A2 minus A1. So value of A2 is what? 0.22 and value of A1 is what? 0.2. So how we minus this value? So 0.22 minus 0.2 is get 0.02. Okay, so simply this value is 0.02. So D1 is what? 0.02. Now we count D2. So D2 is what? A3 minus A2. So value of A3 is what? 0.222 minus value of A2 is what? 0.22. So again, how we simplify this? 0.222. So 0.22 minus 200.0. Okay. So it's 0.002 D2. So here value of D1 is not equals to D2. Okay, because D1 is what? 0.02 and D2 is what? 0.002. So we write, since D1 is not equals to D2, therefore given series is not in AP. Here, because here common difference are not same, so given series is in not AP. Now we take another sub question of question 4 is, we take one question. Suppose I take question number 10. Okay, so 10th is what? A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. So first we check this series is in AP or not. So what we do? We find common difference. So D1 is what? A2 minus A1. So A2 is what? 2A and A1 A. So 2A minus A we get A. Okay. Now D2 is what? A3 minus A2. So D2 equal value of A3 is what? 3A and value of A2 is 2A. So it's again become A. Now we find D3. So D3 is what? A4 minus A3. So D3 equal value of A4 is 4A and value of A3 is what? Minus 3A. So it simply become A. So here all value of common difference are same. So we write, since D1 equal D2 equal D3 is A. So given series is in AP. So if series in AP, so we write next three term. So next three term is what? A5, A6 and A7. How we write? A4 plus D, A5 plus D and A6 plus D. So value of A4 is what? 4A and D is what? A. So it's 5A. Now value of A5 is 5A and common difference is A. So it is 6A. Now A7 is what? A6 plus D. So 6A plus A we get 7A. So next three term are 5A, 6A and 7A. Okay. Now I take another question. It is very important to exam point of view. Now I take question 12. It is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. So first we check this series is AP or not. So what we do? We take common difference. So D1 is what? A2 minus A1. So here value of A2 is what? Root 8 and value of A1 is root 2. So I can also write root 8 into this form. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and this simply root 2. Okay. So now we take 2 root 2 minus root 2. Now we take root 2 as a common, so we get 2 and minus 1. So 2 minus 1 becomes simply 1. So value of D1 is what? Root 2. Okay. Now I find value of D2. So D2 is A3 minus A2. So D2 equal value of A3 is what? 18, and value of A2 is what? Root 8. Okay, root 18 and root 8. So we write root 18 into form of 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, because 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, and we write 8 into 2 into 2 into 2. So simply now 3 as a common, 3 root 2, here 2 root 2. So again root 2 is common, so 3 minus 2. So again value of D2 is what? Root 2. So D1 is root 2, D2 is root 2. So we find D3. So D3 is what? A4 minus A3. So value of A4 is what? Root 32, and value of A3 is what? 18. So we write 32 into 2 into 4 into 4, okay, and 18 2 into 3 into 3. So one pair is common, so 4 root 2 is become 3 root 2. Again we take root 2 as a common, so 4 minus 3, so simply it's become root 2. So here all value of D1, D2, D3 are same. So we write since D1 equal D2 equal D3 equal root 2, therefore given series is in AP. So this series in AP. So we write next three term. So for next three term, what we do? Here common difference is root 2. Okay. So next three term it means A5. So A4 plus D. So A4 is what? Root 32, and D is what? Root 2. So simply root 32 is right in the form of 2 into 4 into 4. So simply it's become 4 root, sorry, plus root 2. So simply it's become 4 root 2 plus root 2. Okay. So 4 root 2 plus root 2, it's become 5 root 2. Again we write this into root 2 into 5 into 5, because this 5 goes into root, it's twice. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 2s are 50. So value of A5 is what? Root 50. Now A6 is what? A5 plus D. So A5 is what? Root 50 plus root 2. Okay, so first we simplify this. Root 50 written as 5 root 2. Okay, here 5 root 2 plus root 2. It's again become 6 root 2. And now I take 6 into root, it's become 2 into 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 2s are 72. So value of A6 is what? Root 72. And again A7 is what? A6 plus D. So A6 is what? Root 72 plus value of D is root 2. So it's become root 76, we write 6 root 2. Okay. And plus root 2, it's become 7 root 2. Again we shift 7 into root, it's become 2 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 are 49, 49 2s are 98. Okay, so next three term of above AP are root 50, root 72 and root 98. This question is very important for exam point of view. Okay, so please see this question very carefully. Thank you.